Since it is Christmas Eve, I thought I'd give you guys my best Cousin Eddie impression. You like the hat? Merry Christmas. Well, almost Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas Eve. Headed out with Brian and TJ. Gonna go shoot some Christmas Eve ducks. At least that's the goal. We'll see what happens. But, I'm not gonna lie. Overslept. Had my alarm set for 3. Woke up at 4. I was getting ready and Brian called me at 4:30. But I'm a little late. That don't mean anything. I think they're already headed out there. They're taking all my decoys and stuff since they already have it. They're rolling on out and I'm just going to meet them out there. So I am rolling coal, 75 miles an hour. Let's get it. Don't worry, boys. I'm here. Listen. Come here, TJ. TJ was concerned that I wasn't going to show up today.
Real concerned.
He was real concerned. And Walls, he's already trying to replace me with somebody else. I was just going to let him know, I mean, that if I leave, my lucky ducks have to go with me.
Nope, we keep them. They're in our truck.
Oh.
Duh.
No, God. Not good. They've already got their waders on. They're already ready to go.
Wish I could have slept in a couple more
hours. I mean, I'm not even late yet, and they're already ready to go. Man, this moon's bright. We got about 10 minutes till the shooting light starts. Walls over here loading the dragon's breath, ready to go. He's pretty excited about the fact that he's a movie star now from last episode, but that's why we got the camera over here on him. He's ready to go.
Real life.
Yep. He's just happy to be here. That's all there is to it. But yeah, I've got the decoys out there. It's going to be bluebird skies today, from the looks of it. And there's about pretty much no wind. So we're going to see what happens. Walls over here, I think, getting the cork out. I think he's about to cork TJ right on the face. Just like last time.
Just like last time.
Oh, yeah.
That's not the cork.
Yeah. That's not the cork.
Wrong cork.
Not good. Yeah, I'm walking over here, gonna fire the GoPro up, and we're gonna be rolling. Yep, just like that, we rolling. About 8 minutes till we start shooting ducks.
tough. I think we can land straight from this way. Go right there. Backwards.
God! Right here. You want to explain to everybody what just happened?
I'd like to, but I don't know. He gone.
Oh, he gone. Oh, he gone.
Finally.
Finally. So
That's
here's what
13 shots at one duck. Lucky number 13 might take him down.
So, yeah, you guys just seen it, but what has happened is we had 3 mallards that just would not commit. And how long did we work those birds for?
God, I don't even know.
Like,
Enough for I was out of oxygen blowing the call.
like 5-6 minutes of working. And, sir, they just would not commit. And we had this one single. He was the only one who wanted to give it up, but he never would. And he finally just gave us one more pass at still a little high. And we just, well, Brian fell and he was trying to like shoot from his back. I tripped and fell. I was shooting from my knees. Not sure what TJ was doing, but he unloaded his gun too.
It jammed up. I had to.
His gun jammed. Basically, at the end of the day, we ended up shooting 12 shots. That poor mallard. And then Walls seen him kind of cup up and go down the marsh. So he went He went on the chase, and we just heard another shot. So
we're hoping 13 got him.
We're guessing that lucky number 13 just put a hurting on that mallard, because he had about 12 shots worth of steel in him before going down there. Oh gosh. It was almost Merry Christmas for that old boy, because he almost got away. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. On the contrary, we were wrong. That one shot from Walls indeed did not get that duck. He was a little far out there. Walls was trying to take a pop shot, I think, just to see. Didn't work. Pop shot didn't work. But oh well. We'll hang out for the next one. We'll hang out for the shovelers. Shovelers will be by here in a little while. And the pintails, I think there's gonna be some pintails that are gonna kamikaze in here in a little bit. Maybe. So what's going on is, we've seen some ducks cup up and land in a pond on the backside of where we are. And I just couldn't take it anymore. So I'm gonna walk out to that pond and see if they're out there, and see if I can get a couple jump shots on those ducks. I left the GoPro with Brian and TJ, so if they get anything, then we should get it on video for me. You guys probably aren't going to see anything other than the aftermath of what might happen. But the ducks are not committing this morning at all. Like, will not commit. So I'm going to take matters into my own hands as much as possible. Well, like we thought, I walked to that pond that we thought we seen ducks land on. Sure enough, they did. That's exactly where they are. I jumped 2 ducks off of it. Here's the problem. The river is actually backed up and has completely taken that pond over. So that pond is under river water. Aside from that, we had a boat and we could be out there this morning where that pond is in that flooded timber. Oh my God. I got a feeling that we would have just slaughtered some ducks. But yeah, that's where they were. In the flood zone. Well, would y'all look at this? I was walking back to meet Brian and TJ, and look who I found. I found Greenie. And man, he tore out of the brush, and I went ahead and swatted him. I swatted old Greenie right here. Oh man, after all this walking I just did, I'm not gonna lie, this feels pretty good. It's an awesome green head. Beautiful bird. Sorry I didn't get it for you guys, but hadn't planned on it anyway. But yeah, got me a greenie. Walls and TJ, they're gonna die. They are gonna die. All right, see ya. I ain't kidding. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up. I just put the camera down. I just talked to you guys 5 seconds ago. And look here. I got me another greenhead. He was hanging out in the brush. You're freaking kidding. I got 2 greenheads.
What up?
Yep. Packing her up. TJ's got the jerk rig in 10 different kinds of situations. I don't know what's going on there. I think he said something to the effect of it's time for a new jerk rig. Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nope, packing her up. But let me show you guys what's going on. Here's old Drake Millard. One greenie. That was Drake. Here's his brother Jake. Jake had a rough way to go. But there's what it's looking like for us on Christmas Eve. Pretty good day. Pretty good day. Wasn't a bad little Christmas Eve. We got 2 green heads out of it. It'll be just fine. But appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. Leave us a like if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Really appreciate it. See you guys on the next one.